ready for some seersucker? I think so. But when I say seersucker, do you go, oh no, woven, cute, love it for spring and summer, but it doesn't move? This is a stretch seersucker. I've never heard of such a thing. So leave it to Quacker Factory to give us a stretch seersucker. These have been very popular. In the past, we've brought them back to you today in 2 different inseams and 2 different colors. The short is 27.5 inches. It's called short instead of petite because the rise is not different. It's the same. They're just shorter by 2.5 inches. The regular length is 30. This is the pink. This is the light navy. And how about I do this with a seersucker? Isn't that cool? Less than $19 is a charge on a card. They are on their way to you. A 650468 is your item number. Angel Smedley is here. She brings us Quacker Factory. We're going to be twinning because I'm putting on that color too. Or you know what? Maybe I can get the lilac from my dressing room color so that we're not twinning because
I like that. And the model has the corals, so.
There we go. Then we'll have all colors. So she's coming back with this top in just a little bit.
Yes.
But let's talk about seersucker now. Stretch seersucker.
Stretch seersucker,
so
amazing,
smart.
Right? So it's a beautiful combination of fabric, and it gives you those lines that are carved into the fabric. It is nice and stretchy. Little bit of a wide leg, but not a crazy, unwearable wide leg. You know, maybe you have problems with your legs. Maybe your legs swell, and
right.
you
want that little extra room.
You want a little extra room. This is great, but I love it because I feel very coastal chic.
Yes.
I'm feeling very beachy. I'm feeling flowy. I'm feeling very resort wear, and they're comfortable. And that's what we want. We don't want stiff. We don't want tight. And you know, when I think of seersucker, I think of the lawyers on the porch in their seersucker suits that are woven and restrictive. You know, having a little lemonade, talking about the case, right? This is not that pant. This is flowy and comfortable and beautiful and goes with just everything.
They're easy to pull on. They've got the pockets in the front, the pockets in the back. So you're just going to get that coolness from a seersucker. That's what seersucker was designed for, you know, for, like you said, the businessmen, lawyers in the South who had to still look good and wear a suit when it's hot and humid.
Yeah, hot and humid.
It actually does. It kind of like sucks away. It was the original wicking fabric, I guess. But it's always been woven, and it's never had a give to it that I've ever seen before. No. So, of course, leave it to Quacker Factory, who brings us dream jeans, comfortable jeans, to bring us comfortable seersucker.
Well, I love this pant. I really do. And you loved the fabric so much that we ended up doing like shorter pants in it and shorts in it last year. So you'll be seeing some of that later in the season, but this is just that pant now. Are you taking a trip? Are you going to visit somebody and you have a little bit of a budget and you can get one thing?
Right.
This could be that one thing because these pants will be great with the top that you have on.
Oh, fantastic.
I love how Michelle has her style with a little white cotton blouse just tied up. I'm thinking a t-shirt and a denim jacket.
Well, and I love the fact that you're wearing the top that's coming up in just a little bit, that with the print and the floral on it, but they're not competing. In fact, from far away, it just looks like you're wearing a pair of like light denim or light navy pants.
Up a little bit. There we go.
Now, do they fit up on the waist?
Yes. So I have I'm low-waisted or short-waisted. Short-waisted, not low-waisted. 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 Sorry. Short-waisted. So I just had to hike them up a little bit so that they hung a little bit better. Right. So you can check out the measurements on QVC.com for the rises, the front rise and the back rise, to see if that works for you, especially since we have these in short and regular.
Yes.
You know, but the only measurement difference, as Terry, as you said so beautifully, is that inseam. So maybe if you want to go with the short to have a little bit of a higher, show off the shoe a little bit.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'8".
Okay.
I'm wearing the 1X in the regular length.
And look at how they fit so beautifully. They're not tight.
No.
They're also not too much of a wide leg to where we're looking at the runway. They're just so classic and appropriate.
I actually don't love woven seersucker.
I don't either. I love the look of it.
Yes.
But you have a big lunch or something, or, you know, from month to month, or maybe you wore them last summer, you've gained a little weight since then, and then you can't put them on anymore.
Exactly.
That's why I love the fact that these actually stretch, but they give you that exact same kind of like puckered look of the seersucker, so you're not losing any of the look or feel.
Right, and I know it's February, but we're all wanting those 7 p.m. and later sunsets. We're all wanting that little warm breeze. We're all wanting that. You know, I actually have to tell you, I don't know if we reordered these. I don't know if they're coming in a new color. I have no idea. So when you have the opportunity to get the color and length and size that you want, definitely, you know, grab that opportunity, because I honestly don't know if
what's happening,
if it's coming. Yeah,
right.
honestly.
So, and that's a good point, because you might be thinking February, like I'm still wearing my sweaters, but it will be here before you know it. And this is what happens at QVC. We bring something in, it's very popular, it sells out in a couple presentations, and then it does take about a year to get them back.
Yeah.
Michelle is 5'9". She's wearing these in the small, in the pink. And that length is 30 inches. So she's got a cute little espadrille. See, I'm ready to say seersucker and espadrille.
I know,
that time.
I know.
She has a button down, tied up, so cute. You can wear a little tank top. You can do just a t-shirt. But I love what you've done with, you took the navy of a printed floral that we're gonna be presenting in just a little bit and paired them together unexpectedly. It's beautiful together. I love it.
I had to put them all together to be like,
yeah, you're like, this works.
I'm like, I like it, it works.
So here's the pink. We have the light navy. Short inseam is 27.5 inches. Regular is 30. We have extra, extra small through 5X. And that is 57% cotton, 40% poly,